So what you think you need for?
Daddy's not a lecture I come up here for, you know. But just come for us if we can stay here for a while.
Don't ask me no blasted foolishness, little girl. It's here you live. Not no move out of your room. So why you think you need to ask?
Because I don't want to talk about Kyle. I know what you're going to say.
And if you don't want to hear, lock your ears them. You believe that life is a better rose, you know. You really think that life is a better rose. But remember say Maca in a rose. I mean I talk Maca diamond here.
No, I come up here fine now.
You come up here because Bruce Banner changing a Hulk and strangle you.
So, Kyle, you're telling me that up to this day she don't know that you're in the military?
No, she just knows about the music.
In my professional opinion, I don't think you should keep her in the dark, Kyle. Remember, it's your condition why up to this day you haven't found a healthy relationship.
Yeah, but the music has been, for me, really very therapeutic.
Alright, so that is all well and good. I'm happy that the music is keeping in that peaceful place, but what about love, relationship? You need that in your life right now. And to me, it sounds like this woman is bringing it to that place, but right now you're destroying it or about to destroy it based on the secret that you're keeping.
Yeah, I see what you're saying, but to be honest, it's like I feel she's keeping a secret from me too. I was going to tell her, I really was going to tell her, but I feel like she's hiding something from me.
In any relationship, I'll tell you this, tit for tat is the most destructive thing. You cannot wait for her to give her secret before you give your secret, right? So it has to start with somebody. And if you want her to be honest with you, then you must start being honest with her.
Daddy, something wrong with him.
Then sit no much wrong with him. If him a clap on your neck so. But not him alone sitting wrong with.
What you mean?
Denise, there is something that transformer boy is hiding. But there is something you hiding too.
I not hide nothing from him.
Is me talking to you, no little girl? You start to get the vision them yet?
You've heard me say this many times before. Post-traumatic stress disorder is a serious thing, right? Kyle, look at me. You've been to war. You, on the battlefield, have witnessed your best friend died. When you got back, your superiors chastise you and blame you for his death. I mean, for anybody, that is a traumatic experience.
Yo, Doc. It's not only that, The fact is, imagine I was captured and tortured by the enemy for 2 weeks. And them a shout at me. Them torture me. I didn't even flinch. I didn't budge. And then come back home. And the family at me. Them shouting at me. My superiors. Jesus. It's like I can't get a break. It's not right. It's not fair. And
Kyle, what you've been through, it will be hard on anybody. But if you're going to have a serious relationship with this young lady, you have to come clean. You really have to come clean. Let her, after all of this, make the decision whether she wants to be with you or not. But I think the next time you see her, you need to lay all the cards on the table.
Listen to me carefully. You're in trouble. And your friend them in trouble. And not until you come together, we will not solve this problem.
Daddy, why you ask the spirit them for show me them something here? I don't want to see nothing.
It is for your own good and safety. I can protect you so much and no more. You'll have to learn to start protecting yourself.
I feel confused. This is too much.
That is why you need to take time to know yourself. Know yourself, Denise, before you start to try know other people.
You gone back on the Kyle thing, not true.
Is it the shouting that still triggers you? Or is it the war memories?
it's not the war alone. Let me tell you something. As a soldier, you're trained for that. It's not just losing my best friend. When in the army, you are trained to accept death as part of the whole thing. You know what I mean? For me, it is the fact that the enemy capture me and them a shout at me. I come home, my own battalion a shout at me. The family a shout at me like it's my fault that the man break rank. It's my fault, like it's me. I never tell the man to break rank. How is it that it's my fault? It's not my fault.
Kyle. Breathe. Stop the shooting. No more shooting. There's no more shooting. Just calm. Look at me. Calm. Just calm down. Sit down.
Because you run from Spider-Man and gone to Hulk. I don't even take time to start out things. Things that was strong is now weak.
What you mean?
When last you use your nose? The gifts that you possess, you're losing it. I like to lose it. I like to lose it. You're going to lose it. You're losing it because you're living your life with somebody else. If I never send the spirit them to you directly, maybe you wouldn't be here now.
Almost to daddy.
Speak the truth. Cast it what it will. Free up yourself. I say free up yourself. And get back close to the ones who are close to you.
Okay, daddy. I'm gonna start take your advice.
You know, should I do that long time? You have man to choke you before you choke yourself first. But you know what is wrong with you? Stubborn. Stubborn like your mama. God rest her soul.
I promise to listen to you more. I'm gonna show I'm gonna lie.
Denise!
Yes, daddy?
2 more things. 1. Check pan Spider-Man. I talk the Lily Rastaman we do it. Check pan him. Cause they might take him to a puppet. And your friend them. And this situation that your friends and you find yourself in, is only going to get worse before it get better. Prepare yourself. I will deal with Hulk.
Daddy, please. My mama tell us there's something wrong with him.
See what's wrong with him, hand him. Arms upward, stretch.
Listen, Kyle. I'm going to replace the pills them that she took.
Yeah, Doc. I really appreciate that. And sorry about the outburst.
Come on, man. Don't worry about that, man. You forget say I was once a soldier. I know them things they go, man. So by the way, how is the music?
Good enough. I have an album coming out later this year and I'm putting all of my energy into it. I'm really excited.
That's good to hear, man. Very good to hear. Very good to hear.
Give thanks.
On that note, get to the pills them.
Yeah, man. I appreciate that. Man.
Alright, be back.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Doc, you have any muscle relaxer around there too? I really. Ow. Yeah. Strange.
Good morning, baby.
Morning. Oh, you brought me breakfast in bed. That's so nice. Come sit down. Thank you. Alright, before we go any further, let's lay some ground rules, okay? I don't like babe. I don't like that word, okay? Alright, so from now on you can call me honey or sweetheart or Sandra is fine. But I don't like babe. That's for like ghetto people. I'm not into that.
Okay, sweetheart.
Okay. Alright, so let me see. Oh, speaking of ghetto people, can you pass my phone? I want to show you a design I did. Thank you. I want to show you a design I did the other day. I'm a phone is over there. Yeah. Alright. So, you know the dance hall girl, I think her name is Chinny Unique. So I did a couple of she's a dancer, she flips and splits, she does a whole bunch of stuff. Anyway, so I did an outfit for her and she looks so classy, right?
That is amazing.
I upgraded her, it was great, right?
Oh
and look
God.
at this. Doesn't she look hot?
Yeah, that looks hot.
Why are you saying she looks hot? So you think she looks hotter than me?
I was referring to the outfit. You said you made it, right?
Of course I made it, Winston. Do you think I'm a liar?
That's what I was saying. The outfit, it's really nice.
Okay. That's more like it. Okay.
Okay, babe. I mean, sweetheart.
Okay.
Oh, I almost forgot. I want you to try something.
Okay.
Hold on one moment.
Is it a new car? I can't wait. So great. What's that?
This is a new energy drink, Island Energy Drink, and it's totally organic. I just thought you like it. And it tastes really good.
So what do I need energy for, Winston?
Do you, have to go in today?
So you're not gonna close the door?
Fully nice. I swear, we love the thing, we love the world vibes, we love the world inspiration. I'm not telling like this is one of the biggest RR of go on right here with the world of the experience. We'll start it like when they are RR. So this is how we'll be starting the new episode, the next.
How you do? Clear the face for me?
Where you finna behind them for?
Someone, where you there for 3 days?
What that have to do with you?
Me a call you, you not answer my call, me text you and you not reply. You know see your time I run serious?
You want to do as you please, so me I do as me please. You saw when the script flip how it feel?
That's a sick thing you talk about, not true.
I don't business with you and your woman, you know. Alright.
Someone, big man thing. Where you there for 3 days now?
Don't question me there, man.
Sassy, I'm an artist and me a producer, so me did half there.
Oh, you did half dead eh? When I come round at the studio and you look like you're half dead, do you tell me say you're not going away? But you still reach a fantasy Wednesday with her?
Someone, you know why you see me that way there? Browning dead.
What?
Alright. I get a bar up for Browning, you see me? And the lady, when I reach around there, the lady see me and she tell me say she knows she come in, so I say me gonna call her phone. When I call her phone, her sister that answer. And her sister tell me what go on.
But them shoot her? What?
She said she find her with her throat slash.
What?
John, I know say you and her not good, but yo, that one just have me a waste her.
It would have anybody away because, you know, that's not something I wish for nobody.
And that's why I don't want you leave out of the yard just so. You know see what time I run. I know I don't want nothing happen to you.
When you did a leave out, you did tell me? If I never had a trail, you know, I wouldn't know where you're gone.
Goody, I work, I go deal with it now.
Well, I work, me go deal with it for 3 days.
Which part you go work?
Studio.
Studio? So me not have a studio? Goody, which studio there for 3 days?
That have nothing to do with you. I go voice a song. We use 1 day for voice, 1 for mix, and the next one for master.
Goody! Who voice you? Who mix you? Who master you?
That's none of your business. I'm tired. Bubbles, give me a call here. As a matter of fact, come link me. Come I just hear something a while ago and you know not everything we can talk over the phone. But this sound like it have I don't know something to do with 5 till over there. So give me a link here.
So yeah, so them do autopsy already?
Yeah, man.
So I want to know the official day for your funeral.
Sunday at the funeral.
Watch out the slim as you sure you don't want me to deal with that something, yeah?
DB, I just have focus on my sister's funeral right now. And if you have passed through, just pass through. You understand? I just couple away I go there.
Alright then. Alright. Me call you back if anything, you see me?
Alright, just let me know where I deal with.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Okay, 5.
Goody, how are you there?
In my room.
Alright, me a come.
Let's come.
You alright?
Or what?
You don't know where we are rent?
Rent? What you mean? When I move?
No, but just ask your friend.
The 5. You where you could have come up on my phone. You come on my yard for ask me if me don't know where I rent. I want with you and Freddy now.
It's just we just feel like safe. Living with a man, I think are the best option right now.
5. You know me know when I tell lie, don't? Now what happened now?
The other night I was up there, he grabbed me under my throat.
Again?
Something wrong with him, Woody. Something really wrong with him.
Something wrong with him? Him choke you again?
No man, not just the choke what did it. And when he grabbed me, he just looked different. And just looked like one monster. And it's almost like when he realized, he turned to the closet and he might dig up the wall of the closet. And then he take out some pill and take them. Said, "Oh, I'm afraid." He made all this stuff. It's like my life flash before my eyes.
What is?
And I'm gonna take up the pill them when they see me. I'm gonna do some research on them and have a PTSD.
Boy, I don't know what to tell you, because I know about that, and it's a serious sickness. That means that him go through some trauma, but you have to go find out how.
Right now, I don't want to go back up this, so I just want somewhere for rent.
5. You ever seriously like take some time for yourself? Cause it's like you jump out of one relationship into the next, and you know, you need to take some time for yourself and think about what you really want to do. And this way I tell me now, it not sound good. We can't blame him now cause I sick him sick. But what if him can't control it, the next time I'm gonna kill you? Speaking of kill, guess who Mira said dead?
Oh.
Browning.
What?
Yeah. Damien just tell me a while ago. Said them mostly cut her throat. So, I'm not even knowing.
Goody. My vision a play out. I don't know what got me to you next. Goody, my vision a play out, Goody.
What you mean?
They lie down on the floor. They don't lie down on the floor. I never know who for house. And the choke, Kyle choked me. Bubbles!
What Bubbles?
We need to call Bubbles now. We need to call
No,
Bubbles.
my message Bubbles. I'm not hear from Bubbles. My message her. What happened? Can you freak me out now, you know?
Goody, remember the vision I'm going to tell you I have. Me in a jail. Me in your living room cause somebody. Come out of my house before I do you something, you know. Me in the studio. 2 shots. Me in the house lie down, me dead, and the vision when me get the choke. When me lay down on the floor, my throat did cut. Call Bubbles.
Chanel, calm down. Cause you never this nervous when you knew best of them. You tried to kill me.
That wasn't the plan. We just not try to scare you so you can just leave we alone.
Scare me? Me look like somebody that easy to scare to you? And me do the scaring.
We never expect it. We just do it so you can leave we alone. Please. We're not gonna tell them say you're alive.
You don't worry about that. They're not gonna find out soon enough. What me want to know from you is, why after all I do for you, you take the side of the people that have planned my demise?
Carlton, I swear, I never know they never plan for hurt you.
I find that hard to believe. You know what you're gonna do for me now? You are gonna help me if you get to them. Especially a little puppy tail. Boy, I put 2 shots in me.
Carlton, please.
Please? Carlton, please?
Please don't make me do this.
You're gonna do it, you know? And you're gonna do it like you're glad.
No. Nah, do it.
Come must have got deaf. It's not like you say nah do it.
That me say, nah, do it.
You know, it's funny. You feel like it's a question I ask you. You'll help me bring them down. After all of me do for you.
Do for me? You're not doing nothing for me. Everything you do, I will clear your own conscience.
What? What are you talking about?
You never stutter. You think me know say you say my sister got prison for weed? You literally tear me apart just to try to control me. On top of that, me know say you mad my mother.
Tell you.
You serious? I'm a sister. You know must expect you to tell me.
Let me tell you this. Tired to help people and then them turn around and betray me. Your mother, that she had tried it. But by the time my patience run out, listen to me. You see if me can't own it or control it, destroy it.
You're the power-hungry asshole! A control freak! So that you want to do with Goody?
Don't mention Goody name. You don't know nothing about me and Goody.
Okay. So Goody are your weak spot. Actually, I already love.
Shut your mouth, you hear me?
How it feel? You look a small fry like Damien take away your woman. And she not come back, you know. How it feel? With all of your money and your power, she still not come back. She's gone to the local DJ. Well, come to think of it, that two woman and the local DJ go away. Look like he might do you a favor, but one mistake he make is that you never shot in the head.
You're trying to patience now, you know. Ah! Damn it!
So go and do it. Do your thing, I hear the king.
Oh God, what's this I got? What's this I got? Ah! Oh God! Oh God! Give us this I got! Give us this I got! Give us this! Let me go! Let me go! Let me go!
So the other people them forward already?
Yeah, them come and cut.
How we are doing?
Where are you?
Slimmers!
Let me go, that's it. Let me go.
Jesus, Slimmers, need at the time now the place. Yo, easy, I'm not coming. Me say me I get free, me know some come for show me respect and clear my name. Sister, ain't that?
Yeah.
Warrior, hold it, man, hold on.
After me see you left my place, you gonna tell me say no you don't, brother.
Where do fire?
Slimmers, hear me I say. Are you me that come check in and I go open the door and see her body on the ground? Only know my style already. Me not kill woman. First of all, me and have nothing. Me like her, so why me not do that? Think no, knife, me kill it, use knife and kill woman, me not kill woman.
So why you never answer my call, Killy? You never see me a call you. You never see King a call you.
Yeah, yo,
Eh?
me
So why you never take no call?
come for show me respect to your sister, you know. And that me come for do.
So why you never answer my call, Killy? Why you never take no Killy?
No, I'm not still not remember the journey departed. Why we there? Slimmers, hear me out. Me, no kill your sister. So ease yourself and don't make it look like you want to come out for me. You see me? You know the things that already. Me just come for clear my name and that's all. And me I say it again. Me, no kill your sister. So make it squash or something. You hear that?
So if you not squash, I'll go happen bad man.
Warrior! Very easy. Kill it. Kill it. Go on. Go on. I left her some bad man. No, no, I don't know what I say.
Know what you are do. Know what you are do.
Sir, were you invited inside here? Get out. Get out from me, please.
Sarah.
Get out. Out. Thank you.
Bad man. Just know this.
Get dead. Leave, I said, leave. Leave. I want you to leave.
Warriors, just remember what we're there. Remember what we're there. This is neither the time nor the place. It's not so real warriors work. Alright? So let's make it go and stay so. Feel now.
Yeah, what's the boss? To tell you the truth, I think that I reach out graveside still, because I have some little matters to deal with. But I have to come show my respect still. You over?
Good man, King. You're a good man.
Mama,
Yeah.
over there, so brown in a berry.
Yeah, man, over there.
Lord, I'm late to the Jesus Christ. Brownie! Brownie! Jesus! Brownie! Ah! Ah! Why? Brownie! Brownie! Brownie!
Wait. Hold on.
My funeral ball, I'm sorry me did tell him for come. The man a ball when the body gone.
Don't feel bad.
I'm sorry, but are you a relative?
Well, not a direct relative. We were close friends. We were dating.
Oh, you see, we can't give that kind of info unless we know who the person really is it?
Yeah, I understand. But you see, I've been calling her for over a week and no answer. So I just... Well, the last time we spoke, we made plans to meet up again and I'm not hearing anything from her. So I just wanted to know what was going on.
Well, Mr. Sorry, I didn't get your name.
It's Reynolds. Andrew Reynolds.
Well, Mr. Reynolds, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but Dr. Clark passed.
Are you serious? How? What happened?
Heart attack.
Heart attack?
That's what the autopsy showed.
But Stephanie was a healthy woman who paid attention to her diet.
I know, but a type 2 heart attack caused by severely restricted blood flow can be just as deadly as an heart attack caused by blockage over time.
So tell me something. Would that type of heart attack be related to, like, stress?
It could be.
And did she seem stressed to you?
Mr. Reynolds, not everybody wears stress on their sleeve for the world to see, is it? And with what's happening in the world these days, doctors are among the most severely stressed out people you can ever imagine.
This is just hard for me to accept.
I'm really sorry for your loss, Mr. Reynolds. It's a big blow to the medical fraternity as well. We just have to move on. The one good thing which has come from this entire situation, however, is the reinstatement of another doctor who is just as good or perhaps even better.
Well, yeah. I guess that's good for the hospital.
And for the overall profession. She was blacklisted. She couldn't come back at a better time.
You wouldn't by chance be referring to Dr. Grant, are you?
Yes! Do you know her?
Her stories was in the papers.
So you know she beat the case and she's good to go and we're glad to have her back.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Well, Mr. Reynolds, I have some meetings to run to and the hospital to run, so...
Oh, well, yeah. Okay, doctor, thank you for your time. One more question, doctor. Is there any kind of drug that could induce heart attack?
Mr. Ronaldo, are you with the police?
This situation is just really shocking.
Well, to explore that theory is to one, suggest that Stephanie was suicidal, which I wouldn't buy. Or two, that she had some enemy in the profession who want to hurt her. And I wouldn't buy any of those ideas. So, have a good day, Mr. Reynolds.
Okay, doctor. Thanks for your help.
Good morning, sir. Oh yes, I actually got here. But sir, I left some very important documents at home that I need to go back and get soon. What's his name? Andrew Reynolds. Welcome home, Carlton Wallace. Or should I say, Andrew Reynolds? How are you? Healthy, I hope? Now if you're watching this video, simply means that you've made one very bad move. You're one predictable fellow. And a man of your caliber can't afford that. Where did I go wrong, Carlton? I found you almost dead, and I brought you back to life. And you repaid me with deceit and ungratefulness by sleeping with the enemy? Well, safe to say that the enemy is no more. So you and I can continue where we left off. With our love life. Till death do us part. How does it feel for the hunter to be hunted? Carter, darling. Let the games begin.
Again, you know, come out of my house and I make me have to take you out.
Hey girl, come out of my house now. Oh, so you now, come out.